Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the Speedman withdrawal. How do you withdraw from Speedman? In this video tutorial, I will revert to you guys the step-by-step on how you can get that done. Alright, so all you need to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. If you are having issues with withdrawal on Speedman, you don't know how to go about it, at the end of this video you are going to learn how to do that. Okay, but before I proceed with this video guys, my name is Sparky, and what I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips and money making ideas online on this my channel. So if you're hearing my voice for the first time, you are coming across my channel for the first time, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on the screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release business tips or money making idea on this channel. Then you can also join my WhatsApp group for business tips and help. If you need my help, you want more business tips, money making ideas, I also share the same thing on my WhatsApp group. All right, I'm going to be leaving the link, my group link, in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join my WhatsApp group for business tips, etc. All right, so now let us proceed with this video. So before I proceed to show you guys how to place your withdrawal on Speedman, let me briefly explain it for the sake of those watching or hearing about Speedman for the first time. All right, Speedman is an online gaming application where one can actually make extra income, or you can actually play it for fun purposes. All right, so this gaming app serves two purposes. You can either play it for the purpose of entertaining yourself, or you can either play it for the purpose of making extra income. It depends on the reason or your purpose of joining. All right, or the main purpose you have the app in your phone. Maybe you want to entertain yourself, or maybe you want to use it to hustle as your side hustle. All right, so I wouldn't know, but for the sake of those requesting for me to make video on how to withdraw, because the review video I made about this platform, I saw some of people commenting in the comment section that I should please make a video on how to withdraw, and then I showed them that I was going to make that video today, and that is what I am doing now. All right, so when you take a look at the Speedman, we have two balances here. We have one balance here, we have the one of coin balance here. So I'm going to explain each part of this withdrawing session. All right, so you can see this is video game. Let me show you before I proceed. So you can see this is just a video game, right? So this is a video game. It's a video game, okay? So let me wait for this this thing to finish loading. So guys, now let's start with this one here, this first balance, the green balance. All right, so now the blue balance or the green balance, this one is interest you accumulated from your downlines. All right, let me explain this now. For example, let's say I invite you to join the platform and then you are playing the games. The interest which you accumulate from playing the games, I am going to get interest, and that interest is what I come to here to withdraw. All right, and you also withdraw it along with your gaming balance. So the extra income you earned through playing the game can be withdrawn along with the accumulated interest on this session. All right, so now talking about the coins, here is the coins. This one is the coins, and this coins is the one you earn whenever you invite friends and family and they are playing the game. All right, so once they are playing the game and they reach some certain level, I think the minimum withdrawal should be $1. So once you reach $1, you can withdraw. Now, what are the withdrawing method? The withdrawing method include PayPal, and the one that is working is PayPal. That's if you are in Nigeria. I don't know for other countries, but the one I'm quite sure that is working is PayPal. So you see withdrawing method, click here to select PayPal and then click on confirm. Then you click on withdraw all. All right, so that is how to place your withdrawal. Withdrawal takes 1 minute to 24 hours to drop in the account you give them. So that is how to withdraw your money from this platform. It is very easy. All right, so if you are looking for video searching on how to withdraw, this is it. All you need is PayPal account. All right, like I said, I don't know if let me just say only PayPal account is accepted. That's what I'm sure. The local bank own is not working. All right, So it depends on the purpose you join this platform. Maybe you join this platform for the purpose of using it as a side hustle, or you join for the purpose of using it to have fun. For me, I am using this video game for fun. So me, I don't know for you, but I'm making this video based on the question users ask, and I believe I have answered that question in this video. All right, so if you are playing this game for the purpose of extra income, you should bear it in mind that you need PayPal account to withdraw depending on the country you reside. Thank you for watching this video, and then if you have another question in regard to this Speedman game, you can also comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Thank you. I remain Sparky.